reading?
No, I'm cooking.
Are you trying to show me the stuff you're made of?
See, I'm not ready for your sweet talks. As you can see, I'm studying.
Uh-huh. Just give me a valid point.
Please, can you be silent for 20 minutes? Just concentrate.
It's fine. As long as you're planning to win with me. At least you can't win alone now.
Coming from who is idle, you're jobless, you just go around gathering data that are irrelevant because I don't understand. Just leave me alone. The last time I left the living room for you to enjoy, you know what? I'll leave it for you too.
Bro.
Have your time.